Transform your home gym from boring to ultimate fitness sanctuary. Are you tired of mundane workouts in a boring space? It's time to revolutionize your home gym and transform it into the ultimate fitness sanctuary. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficiency with our expert tips and tricks for optimizing your workout area. Maximize your space by incorporating versatile equipment that allows for a variety of exercises. This not only saves room but also keeps your workouts exciting and dynamic. No more excuses for skipping a session because of limited options. Create a motivating atmosphere with inspiring decor and uplifting colors. These elements can significantly influence your energy levels and enthusiasm, making each workout session something to look forward to. Investing in quality, multi-purpose gear is key. Think resistance bands, adjustable dumbbells, and a sturdy yoga mat. These essentials take up minimal space while offering a wide range of workout possibilities. Don't underestimate the power of good lighting and ventilation. Bright, airy spaces can boost your mood and enhance your performance. Consider setting up near a window or adding mirrors to reflect natural light. Keep your space tidy with smart storage solutions. Wall mounts, shelves, and baskets can help organize equipment, freeing up valuable floor space for your exercises. Incorporate technology to stay on track. A dedicated workout screen for following online classes, or a sound system for your motivational playlist, can make a huge difference in your workout routine. Setting clear goals and tracking your progress can also transform your home gym experience. A visible progress chart or a workout calendar can keep you motivated and focused on your fitness journey. Remember, your home gym should be a reflection of your personal fitness goals and style. With these tips, you're well on your way to creating a space that not only looks great but works effectively for you. Let the transformation begin.